Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see the recipe of baked vegetable pasta using Disano pasta. Disano pasta is made from 100% durum wheat. Now you can treat your kids with pasta anytime without any worries because this pasta is not made from maida and is high in protein. Let's take a look at the recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to use 1 cup Disano pasta. This pasta is very easily available in supermarkets near you and also on Amazon. To boil the pasta, boil enough water, add some salt as per taste. Then add in the pasta and you need to cook this pasta between medium to high flame till it's done. Do not overcook. So this looks done. Immediately strain and add 1 teaspoon oil. Give it a toss and keep it aside. In a kadhai or a pan, heat 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, and to that add 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. Saute for 10 to 12 seconds on medium flame, then add 1 small sized onion thinly sliced, and once the onion turns slightly pink, add zucchini and a little salt as per taste. Add 1 green chili. You need to make a slit in the green chili. Cook till the veggies are done, but do not overcook them. Now add 5 medium-sized sliced button mushrooms. If you do not like mushrooms, you can skip it. Now add 1 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, 1.5 teaspoon crushed black pepper. And once the veggies are done, the mushroom is done, add the boiled pasta. Give it a good stir and within a minute or 2 this will be done. Transfer it to a baking tray if you have a baking tray, otherwise you can also use a normal cake tin or cake mold for this. For sauce, heat 2 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter. To it add 1.5 tablespoon maida. Now cook at low flame for 5 to 6 minutes or till the raw smell of the maida is gone. Then add a little salt or as per your taste. Then 3/4 cup milk. You need to continuously stir this mixture while adding the milk. And you would notice that as you cook, the sauce would thicken. Immediately pour the sauce on the vegetables. It's time to add the cheese, so I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. If you have only mozzarella and normal processed cheese available, you can use a combination of these two cheese or any cheese which is available to you. To bake this in an OTG or convection, you need to preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake this dish for 10 to 12 minutes. If you're using kadhai or cooker, you need to preheat it at medium flame for 10 minutes and then bake this dish for 12 to 15 minutes. And after this time period, you would notice that the cheese has melted. It looks really nice and tempting. This looks so delicious. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.